Guys, today we're going to show you how to make a ban list in Roblox Studio. All you need is a script and the server-script service. So, and in variable b1, set this to the user you want to ban, the user ID of the user you want to ban. The other one to another user ID you want to ban. And you can create as much as if these were variables as you want, depending on how much players you want to ban. Then just copy this and create as much as else ifs as variables. And you can just set the messages to custom, or you can just create a variable for or one message for all of them. And this is pretty much it. Unfortunately, we can't test this out because I can't just ask a user to just join and try to ban me. And if I try it with myself, I don't know. I might be able to try it. So I'm just gonna set it to my user ID. So I'm gonna just copy my user ID here. Ugh, why isn't this working? Alright, Control V, my user ID is there. So let's see if it works. Let's put it in the output. Play. It's gonna kick me immediately. It kicked me. Whack. So yeah, this is a really good ban list. Note that you won't be able to change this ban list while you're playing the game. You actually have to go in Studio and change it there. So that was it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, like it, subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials, and comment, and bye.